Hello creative people. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the color permanent red. Can we create red from another color? We don't always use the color permanent red in our watercolors. For many people, it's not worth buying this color. So, let's try to reproduce this beautiful and controversial color that I personally use a lot in my watercolors. My name is Norma Corrado. Stay with me until the end to find out if we can do it or not. If you're new to the channel, subscribe now and activate the bell, because there's always content to inspire your creativity. And buy my book Watercolor Flowers without the use of sketches on Amazon. It's still free for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. Enjoy, the link is in the video description. To complete this challenge, we'll use watercolor, brush, color wheel, and a small white porcelain plate. Let's start by analyzing the color permanent red. As the name suggests, it is red. The controversy in creating this color is because it is considered a primary color, and according to color theory, we cannot create a primary color from other colors. Yes, it is true. But in reality, the color that is truly closest to the primary color is magenta. Knowing this, let's start with the color Quinacridone rose and add vibrancy to it, that is, the color yellow. If we add yellow little by little, we will have red. It improved a little, but it needs more yellow. Almost the same, but with a little yellow. Now we create the color red. I will make an observation here. Be careful when adding yellow, because if you add too much yellow, it will turn orange. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create the color permanent red in watercolor. Now, it's your turn to make this color. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment too. And of course, subscribe to the channel, leave a like and activate the bell so you don't miss any of the next videos. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.